Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2025 Walmart exclusive Boulevard mix. So, Boulevard cases, exclusive to Walmart here in the United States. These actually have become available elsewhere since Walmart doesn't. I don't know if they take their full allotment or what. I know overseas these are available at other retailers. This one comes through Stop Diecast. Thank you, Stop Diecast, for getting me this case. And this one does come from an overseas market. So let's pop it open and see just what we get. So I actually have the second mix, which is the B case for 2025, on the heels of this one. So I will post the B case later this week. So, but we're going to take a look at B case today. I know this has been out for some time now. B case is just starting to come out. So, but we're going to look at the A case. So we're looking at these here in chronological order. So, all right, case is open. Let's pull out the first two cars in the case. So this is 2025 Boulevard. So, first things you notice, obviously you got new packaging. You got kind of like, every year it's a new Boulevard scene. This one takes place in some sort of town with a cinema. A lot of small towns here in America have some sort of movie theater or cinema on their main drag. This one is no different. Hot Wheels Cinemas takes center stage here, and the screen says "Coming Soon." And I wonder if the language. I guess I never noticed this. I wonder if the language underneath "Coming Soon" is different. Not. No, I think these are all the same. So you do see the Asian market stickers on the back here. This one looks like it's from Hong Kong. Regardless, the star is the car. So let's take a look at that. We have the first car out of the mix is the number 119 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 in this kind of like, I would call it more of a mustard yellow than a yellow. And it almost seems like the yellow is like thin or it's painted over black, like a black undercoat. I'm not sure if it's intentionally yellow or not. The car on the card looks more yellow, but this one definitely is more of the mustard yellow variety. And we got the nice white top on there. So Land Cruiser, this is one of those castings that debuted at Fast and the Furious just last year. And so we're already seeing it already replicated here in Boulevard, which in a nice kind of like clean deco. I assume it's somewhat stock. So that is number 119. Next one out of the case is number 120, the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0. So we got the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0 in this very nod to the, I think it's called the Quad Figlio, right? The Quad Figlio is the four-leaf clover for Alfa Romeo. And it's kind of, I think, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a play on the Air Italia like Airlines deco. At least a nod to it. So, and then we got the 82 on the sides. And yeah, so we've had this one appear several times. We've had it, appear in clean liveries. I think the first livery in the main line was actually a rally inspired deco. This one goes along those lines. You got the quadrifoglio green clover on the sides. This is just a very nice deco. 120 with the red X'd out headlights. Yeah, that's cool. I dig that. All right, next one out of the case, we have the 91 BMW M5, number 118 in this mix. 91 BMW. This one is another one, right? That first appeared in Fast and the Furious. Another casting that first appeared in Fast and the Furious. You get that nice clean white look. Headlights, taillights, some nice modern 5-spokes on that car. So should definitely appease anybody that loves kind of that stock deco look to their cars. Next car out of the case is number 117, the Lancia Delta Integrale, number 117 here in Boulevard 2025. This one again. So you have the Alfa Romeo. It has more of rally deco. This one has if I remember correctly, it pretty much only received rally-inspired decos throughout its mainline releases. Now we see it here in premium with a very clean look. I actually saw one of these driving on the road, and I kind of, you're coming on it head on there, and I saw it, and it was actually in this red color, and it's pretty cool. You just don't see these driving on the streets here in the United States. So, but this is a very nice rendition of the Lancia Delta Integrale. Again, in all red, very minimal kind of deco. You got a marker light? Obviously that unique the headlights there with the grill and the inset there. I love the detail, right? The way they're able to get that black in the little grill vents there. One of the I know that really hates the pixelated deco right on the premium cars, but with that we are also able to get that sharp detail like that. So the trade-off, that is a nice one. And last car out of the case is number 116. Already the most popular car out of this case. It is Rod Chong's from Speed Hunters, or formerly Speed Hunters, now Race Service. You've seen some of his brand tie-ins of Race Service lately, like the Citroen. Now we got the Porsche. He's been doing collabs with Hot Wheels since the Race Service days, since the Speed Hunter days. But we have the Porsche 935, and yeah, there was actually a release party just the other week with this car, and it was there. He was signing autographs. Whole event. This car is in 1/64 scale, so it's always cool to see the real life cars make it into the Boulevard mix. That's kind of I think that's kind of what Boulevard is one of the facets of Boulevard is real life cars that you would see driving down the street, driving down the Boulevard. And what's more real than an actual one-to-one car being replicated? So this is great. And you can't forget about the ornamental conifer deco on the roof there. Does it say Super? Super, yeah, right. And yeah, because his new brand is called Super Collector. So, oh yeah, and he's got this rev sec on the. It's hard to see on the actual car, but you can see it on the packaging here. Rev sec is his Instagram handle. There we go. So that is Mix A 2025 Hot Wheels Boulevard. So, your best bet is to go to your local Walmart. I'm not sure if any online retailers have the cases for sale anymore. Like I said, it's been up for quite some time, but I did just get this from Stop Diecast, and very thankful to have it finally. Let's look at all 5 cars really quick. Let's talk in the comments. I know it's been out for some time, but let's talk and see which one's your favorite. Some very nice clean cars with the Land Cruiser, the Lancia Delta Integrale, and the 91 BMW M5. And then some really nice, unique, not so clean, very specific cars in the Alfa Romeo GTV 6 3.0 and the Porsche 935. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Beat Case.